to them, laugh to them. It's true, you know, say, me have a look out. One Virginia come check me the day, no boy. You can't have him come check me. I want to eat out all my food. Chat. Alright, basically, I have them a free game. And anyhow him overdo it today. Watch me. Hold it, man. I go on charge.
Yo, I pray man. There, man. So, yo, I want to know about that.
Oh, you know, so I look at substance.
Everyone, why you touching the car? PPS coming out breeze, you know.
For real, man. We have to.
You know, say, yo, I want in on the floor and then call me. Can you?
Flow and call me.
Yeah, man. I want to run up a pot and I do it.
Oh, yeah, man. Watch me. Flow and call me.
Yeah, man. So I look at some stuff.
Watch out now. You know, no feeling. Can I roll to look a dumpling, flathead there?
You know the dumpling?
Just throw it in there, really.
You speaking of that?
Yeah, man. I don't have to say I heard, man.
Bless up to you.
Yeah, man. Border, come on, get in. Nah, I'm going to put things in blessing in my bed. What you mean? I say I think any never overdo today. Speaking of the devil in this again. They say something to me.
Yo, Charge, yo. You know what's going on? A big song going on getting it on. Yes, sir.
Bye-bye.
Fix the gate, man. Yo, you know, say, yo. You know, some stuff you have to do. You know, the nuts and the salt.
You can hear something you see.
Yeah, man, anything good, man. As long as you can go in the pot, isn't it?
Alright, watch it. Now, put that over there. See salt. But
Jesus, when I come and say prepare for the rain,
you prepare, I just saw it there, see it. When you're kind hearted and know, say, oh, you have to give away at times. Because God say, no, we forgive away, no. You can't be mean to other one another.
bless you for shit for the pot,
Yeah, Martin. Yes, we can get some.
oh, you mean, man? You know, say, yo, is that little thing there to me? You know I can't share for me alone, bro.
Yeah, so
You start on something.
yeah, man. Nah, sir, thing, man. You know for the video, man. Speaking of the devil, watch him.
Yo, my child, yeah.
What's your problem?
Got to forgive and forget and forgive and give and thing, brother. You know, say, yo, I'm not sure I can give me everything what I want to make some do.
Oh, no. Murder, I'm not sugar for you, murder. You come on me yard, coconut powder, me give you coconut powder. You want salt, me give you salt. You want caramel, me give you caramel. You want tulku flour, and then you want come beg me sugar. So and then afterwards, me I tell you to give me two of that.
So
you can't give me.
Come on, brother.
Come on, tell me hard, brother. Come on, man.
So I know that good.
You know say you too mean, man. Left me hard, man, and go, man. Come on. You too mean, man. After me I beg you clear food, you can't give me. I got them move, man. You go.